Hello. Hi.
Say hi. 1, 2, 3. Hi.
So we're going to Iloilo. It's 4-hour trip from our town. So nagutom itong dalawa kaya nagaya na mag stop over dito sa kainan. Ayan. So currently we are in Greenwich. Ayan. Nakikita nyo po. Where are you going?
Iloilo.
Iloilo. So, medyo malayo pa, mga 2 hours. 2 hours pa yung aming biyahe. So, we are now in Greenwich. What do you want? Chicken? How about you?
Pizza. So we're in the hotel, so I'm gonna be September and they have is this SM?
There.
Oh.
Hey guys!
I think we're in the VIP.
Yeah, we are in the VIP KTV.
VIP?
So we're going to videoke. Ayan, magbe-videoke kami with family. Kami lang nauna dito guys. So so later on, marami na po kami. See you!
A few moments later.
Say hi. 1, 2, 3. Hi.
Hi guys, we're in the SM. Go to Kidzona and play.
Alright guys, so we are here in SM Iloilo. Kami po ay maglalaro sa Kidzona. Ayan, si Scarlett and Sophia will play in Kidzona together with her cousins. Say hi! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Getting a waffle with hot milk.
How is it? It's nice. Waffle is nice. Told you. Nakakamiss guys. This is my favorite. Later lang. Kidzona first. Kidzona.
Later.
Kidzona. Kidzona. Yeah, Kidzona. Kidzona first. Hey, 1, 2. Here. Okay na, okay na. Okay na. Trace your food. I'm gonna trace my face. Say hello. What are you doing? Give me 1 burger. I need 1 burger. I need the bacon egg burger. Are you tired? Hey guys, so this is our last day here in Iloilo. We're leaving soon. Look at the view here in our town. This is Iloilo, guys. SM is just right there, guys. Napakalapit lang. Burger King. Then may Jollibee doon. Ayan, Jollibee. Napaka ano lang tawag yan, accessible lang. I think meron dyang Chowking doon sa may tawid. So bye guys, see you in Antique.
The next day.
Hi guys! So good morning. Today's video ay pupunta kami sa
wedding.
So na-invite tayo guys sa wedding. So mamaya is kakanta tayo kasi magka-serenade ako sa wedding. So hopefully maging maayos and good luck to me dahil napakainit pa rito sa Pilipinas. Look at this. Look at the weather guys. It's so sunny. It's sunny, right? It's hot. Yeah, pero sa hapon medyo nagre-rain naman siya. Kaya
yesterday it was raining.
Yeah, it's raining too much yesterday.
And there was lightning or
So hopefully daw mapawisan ng sobra-sobra mamaya sa function, sa reception.